Hey Nerdfighters. This week we're talking about the problems with stuff. So I'm going to talk to you about the problems with being me, who I am, and hopefully a lot of you can relate to it because I think there are some relatable things that happen in my life. A big part of my personality is that I have a lot of aspirations and dreams, and I really want to someday be a successful speaker for math and science. I'm really into math and science, and I love academia and I love education, and I just want to teach the world about what I love and what I do. Now the problem with that's not a bad thing. I think that's one of my personal strengths. But the problem with that is I don't look the part. Now I think this is a problem a lot of you can relate to, is not looking how people expect you to look. So I am in math and science, but as you can probably tell, I am female, and I identify as such. I do my makeup. I love doing my makeup. I like having really weird hairstyles. I look kind of weird. I do. I don't blend in with the crowd a lot. I don't like keeping to myself. I really like talking to other people. I like being friendly. And that's not really what's expected in math and science. You kind of expected to be a little more silent, a little more, average looking. But I don't think it's a bad thing. I do think it's a problem because people don't look at me like I belong in math and science. And a lot of times people can judge you based on appearances alone the first time they see you, and while it's a natural human reaction to judge people based on appearances alone the first time you see them, it's disgusting and terrible when people treat you differently because of how you look or how they think you are as a person when it's completely wrong. So that's the problem with me. I know I've been told before that, I'm really great for doing science when I'm one of the only females in the class. Or, you gotta show these boys how it's done because, you're the example, you're the girl. I don't think that's fair. I really wish I was kind of treated as any other member of the sciences. I don't think me being a female should change that, but it happens. And until our generation takes over and changes things, it's gonna keep happening. So if you feel the same, weirdness, if you get judged based on your appearance, if anything, judgy happens to you, just go with it, And that's what I do. I let people think whatever they want of me, and then I prove them wrong. In science classes, I get A's when I'm expected to get the average. I do proofs very well in mathematics. I really love doing proofs. Math teachers might not expect it when they see, girly handwriting for it to be a really solid proof, but it is. It always is. And that's what you gotta do. You always gotta be good. If people judge you based on your looks, if they think you can't do something, prove them wrong and do it 10 times better than they ever could. Yeah, that's it. I know it seems kind of ranty and weird, but if people judge you and they don't think you can do something, all you gotta do is prove them wrong.